Hi there, today I'll be showing you a couple of electronic cigarettes I made recently. My Jack Daniel's miniature bottle of whiskey one, and a little Matchbox electronic cigarette, which was my brother's idea. It's a brilliant idea and I quite like that one. This miniature whiskey one has a nice little fairy light on it. You hear it hissing away, so you get a pretty good puff out of that. That's using a totally wicked AA size battery. It's got some numbers to it, I can remember it. 900 milliamp, 14,500, 3.7 volts, and the Matchbox one uses the much smaller AAA size one, which I think is the 10,440. Both work really well. I'll show you that one working as well. Get a good amount of puff out of them. I'm using their V Nano cartomizers because, well, they're quite small and they fit on there quite nicely. But you can take that off. It's a 510 thread, but I'm sure I can make them to most thread sizes. Put my nice big tank on there, love that one. Like that. That works just as well. I can't fit much bigger tanks on that one because of how close the button is, and that's kind of a bit of a design limitation with that size box. But cool thing about this box, you can change the case. So you can get them ones, ship, swan, whatever matches you prefer. And it's quite a novelty item as well, especially the Jack Daniel's one. Imagine going into a pub with a little Jack Daniel's bottle and no one would realise it's an electronic cigarette until you light her up and blow smoke out of it.